The coffee nation is also the soluble coffee nation. Soluble coffee is much closer than you think. Black coffee, cappuccino, coffee with milk and chocolate mixes, coffee-based beverages such as those sold in vending machines, and several products with coffee aroma and flavor win the preference of more and more consumers in Brazil and abroad. Soluble coffee plays a fundamental role in the universe of Cafés do Brasil, the coffee nation, in a long production chain that involves more than 300,000 coffee growers, processes around 10% of the Brazilian production every year, 5 million bags, and exports to more than 130 countries in the 5 continents. The Brazilian instant coffee industries generate $700 million per year in foreign currency revenues to the country. The industrial soluble coffee chain is one of the largest in the world, installed in Brazil more than 40 years ago. It uses raw materials coming from several Brazilian producing regions. 80% of coffees of the Conilon or Robusta variety that come from Espírito Santo, Rondônia, and Bahia states. The other 20% are coffees of the Arabica variety from all coffee growing regions. All of these coffees go through strict quality controls before being processed. The Brazilian soluble coffee industries adopt state-of-the-art technology and follow the main social and environmental standards in process management. There are more than 25 certifications, generating approximately 5,000 direct jobs, with a production capacity of 125,000 tons per year. Their production methods combine advanced technologies with a high commitment to social and environmental values. The sophisticated technologies involved in the production of instant coffee allow the creation of a unique industrial park, highly efficient and equipped with systems that control the emission of pollutant residues. The Brazilian instant coffee, which is produced with extreme care and high quality, also has a strong presence in the domestic market, where it attracts consumers of all ages due to its practicality and affordable cost. Abroad, the Brazilian soluble coffee is determinant to the opening of new markets. Besides the traditional instant coffee in versions like spray-dried, freeze-dried, extracts, and concentrates, the industry offers a vast array of other products, such as coffee extract and its derivatives, that are produced and used by the food, chemical, and pharmaceutical industries. The world consumption of soluble coffee grows 3% per year, a higher growth than roast and ground coffee. In face of this scenario, the Brazilian soluble industries plan to expand its exports by 50% over the next 10 years, increasing production from the current 3.6 million bags to 5.4 million bags of coffee, generating more than $1 billion to the country. By doing so, the industry strengthen their presence in the current traditional markets, gain new markets, offer more opportunities to the country's coffee growers, and take the Brazilian coffees to more places worldwide. The soluble coffee industry has 2 representation entities: ABICS, the Brazilian Soluble Coffee Industry Association, and ZINCS, the National Union of the Soluble Coffee Industry, that support and speak up for the class's interests and define policies of common interest to their associated industries. Now that you know a little bit more about the Brazilian instant coffee, how about a cafezinho?